Hello and welcome to Blaze Themes YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add block layout of News Elementor plugin to your website. By using News Elementor plugin, you can import our theme layouts to your website in just a single click. I will show you the available styles in 3 different block layouts. First and foremost, you have to install and activate the News Elementor Addons plugin to be able to use this layout. This is block 2. It has got beautiful animation styles. You can see there are many styles in its layout. Style 8, Style 10, Block 3. We will be regularly adding new block layouts and new styles with elegant designs in future updates. This one has used Ajax load more pagination. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we will be uploading more tutorials like this in coming days. I am using the Pro version of News Elementor Addons plugin, so you might not see some features on your website when you are using free News Elementor Addons plugin. But there is not a massive difference. You can get around all of the settings by watching this video. Now let's start editing. Go to Edit with Elementor, go to Widgets, search for block. As of today, there are 4 block layouts, and in each block layout there are many variant styles. You can use these layouts as many as you want in any section in a page. You will get a basic layout as soon as you edit. In that layout, you can edit each and every element which I am going to show you in this video. As options are similar in each layout, I am deleting layout 4, 3 and 2 for now and show you edits in layout 1 only. You can either choose classic or card skin. Go to post query, select the order of display of posts, choose the number of posts to display, select post authors, select post categories, politics, finance. You can also choose tags, select post to include, add offset. You can also exclude specific posts. Onto post element settings, you can show post thumbnail image, post categories, post title, post date, or hide post author. Choose where to position icon, select icon, show or hide post excerpt. You can also sort the position of elements. For pagination, you can choose none, arrow, or Ajax load more pagination. Write pagination text. Select pagination icon. Increase or decrease the size of icon and the icon distance from the pagination text. In animation settings, as of today, there are 10 different custom animation effects. You can also add color on hover animation. In Style tab, you can choose primary color, check out the animation color here. On to image settings. For the blocks that show large images, you can choose large image size, and for blocks that show smaller images, you can choose small image size. That saves resources and makes the page load faster. I am going to choose solid border type. Add border width, border color, border radius. We also have options to choose column and row gap. In post title, edit typography, font family, font size, font weight, transform, style, decoration, add line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. You can also determine separate font size for trailing posts. We can also edit text color, background type, padding, and margin for both initial and hover mouse states. Choose text color. You can either choose classic or gradient background type. Let's add 4 pixels of top margin and 4 pixels of bottom margin. In post categories, edit typography, same process as earlier, font family, size, font weight. Transform the title into uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, normal, or default. Let's add 10 pixels of padding to the right side. Add hover border radius. Onto post it. Same process. Put different font size for trailing posts. I'm going to add 2 pixels of top margin. onto pagination styles. Edit typography. I will choose Roberto Slab font family. I don't want to add any border on pagination. Choose background color. Eight pixels of padding for top and bottom, and 15 pixels for left and right. Add 15 pixels of top margin. You can also show image overlay. Add background color. Choose opacity. I would like to remind you that I am using Pro version for this tutorial. So you might not see some features in your website if you are using free version. But there is no need to worry, there is only a little difference. You can get around all of the settings very easily by following this tutorial. You can also apply CSS filters. Do you like this block and want to place it in another section as well? Just copy it and paste wherever you need it. We have also provided a feature that adjusts layout on smaller width. Look at the changes. Let's change image ratio. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we will soon be back with new tutorials like this. Now let's publish it. See, the results are beautiful. If you have any questions or need any help, visit blazethemes.com and contact our support team to get free support.